In this video, I would like to share how we can solve the fan noise problem. So my fan is working well and the speed is fine, but there is a noise. So we can feel it if we close the door and if they stay quiet, especially in the night time, you can hear a very noisy sound. But if you turn off the switch, and there is no more noise. So the fan is still spinning, but there is no more noise because of I already turned off the power. But the moment I turn on the power, then we can hear there is a very noisy sound in the fans. So first we have to turn off the switch first. So we're going to wait until the fan is stopped. So now my fan is going to stop. I'm going to make it stop completely and just hold a little bit here. And we're going to check the capacitor inside. Oh, let me open. So maybe that is the noise because of this capacitor is old. Let me just check how many UF if they are using. So if your fan is slow, you have to change. You just change this capacitor. But at first we have to see how many microfarad they're using. Oh, sorry. So this capacitor is 1.8 microfarad. I'm going to replace to the new one. You must make sure that you turn off the switch. So this all capacitor I'm going to remove. This is a wire, so you don't have to bother for this a wire. So one side capacitor wire, the other side is here. You just have to remember that. So now I have the new capacitor here, right here. I'm going to replace. I'm going to follow back that's what I removed from the old one. So now I already replaced this capacitor right here. So if you have the sewing machine oil or the engine oil, you just apply on the spring here. So I use this oil. So most of the time the fan speed slow is because of this capacitor. A capacitor in the fan is 1.8 microfarad, so you just replace to 1.8 microfarad, then you will solve the problem. So of course I'm going to clean it up. So I already replaced capacitor to the new capacitor right here, and I screw back everything's in a good condition here. So I'm going to turn on my power. So let's see, this will remove the noise and this will solve the noisy fans. So this method you can apply that once your fan have the speed slow problem, you just change the capacitor. And let me turn on the switch. So there is no more noise and the speed is so far so good. I hope this video will help for someone those who facing the fan speed problem and the fan noise problem.